Welcome. We're here to celebrate. 20 years of celebration because we've helped Lake Tahoe. One need only gaze at these emerald blue waters to see the progress we've made in keeping Tahoe blue.
The 20th anniversary of the Tahoe Summit brought with it many reflections of the progress made in environmental conservation and water pollution since the inception of the Lake Tahoe Restoration Act in 2000.
To keep these waters crystal clear, to keep the air as pure as the heavens, to keep alive Tahoe's spirit, and to keep faith with this truth, that the challenges of conservation and combating climate change are connected. They're linked.
But rather than just focus on the quality of the water in Lake Tahoe, there was a big focus on preventing wildfires in the area. Janice Schneider, a representative from the U.S. Department of the Interior, announced at the summit a series of projects under the Southern Nevada Public Land Management Act, with around $25 million dedicated to the Lake Tahoe basin. Such projects have a heavy focus on wildfire education.
These funds will support restoration and conservation, hazardous fuels reduction, and wildfire prevention on more than 20,000 acres of public and private land here in both Nevada and California, in and around the Lake Tahoe area. And the good news is this is just what they call Round 16A. We're going to be announcing more project awards later this year.
A single wildfire in a dangerously flammable Lake Tahoe basin could cause enough erosion to erase decades of progress when it comes to water quality. And the drought also endangers one of the epicenters of the world's food production in California.
But as the summit came to a close, one thing became very clear. Tahoe remains a sanctuary and a place of envy nestled on the California-Nevada border.
This place is spectacular because it is one of the highest, deepest, oldest, and purest lakes in the world. It's been written that the air here is so fine, it must be the same air that the angels breathe. Now, as a former Washoe tribe leader once said, the health of the land and the health of the people are tied together. And what happens to the land also happens to the people.